Today we are in Nangang Exhibition Center. This is Computex 2024. I'm here at the Transcend booth with my boy Andrew here because I'm here to tell him that I'm their number one customer. And do you want to know why I'm your number one customer?
Why?
Because I forget my memory card every few days and I have to keep buying one. In fact, today when I came here, I forgot my memory card.
Wow.
The reason why the camera is recording right now
Is we give you the memory card?
No, I just took it from where you keep all the bags.
Oh, okay.
I don't know whose memory card it is, but it's in there, but it's Transcend. Transcend is a very big name where I'm from. I know this year you guys have a lot of new things
Yes.
that is not just consumer. You guys do industrial, you guys do enterprise.
Yes.
You guys have a full range of things that you told me that I would be interested in.
Okay.
So I think you need to prove that to me.
Okay.
You're a cool guy. You gotta make it interesting for me.
Okay.
Okay,
Let's go.
Let's go.
See this ESD 410C first. So this one is our brand new portable SSD with a light speeding fast, as you can see, up to 2,000 megabytes per second with the reading and the writing speed.
Yeah, I actually do have my previous generation one. It's a different segment, but it's with the similar name.
Which one?
The 310C.
Oh, the 310C.
Yeah, you guys have watched my video about the 310C and how I recommended it for creators, photographers who use their smartphone to take photos and videos. So this was the best thing ever because you could offload all your media from all your devices and just put it into your computer straight away. So the 310C is just the before, and the now is the 410C.
Yes.
Rugged model, a little bit thicker, a little bit bigger, which is a good thing because it's good for thermal.
Yes, you're right.
You want to promise such fast read-write speeds, you need good thermals.
Yes.
Otherwise, you're going to throttle in 20 seconds?
Yes, you're right.
Yeah. You want to see a magic trick? I have my own 410C.
That's good.
And did you know I actually dropped it, but you can't tell because it's so rugged, you don't even know, and you can't see any damage. It's like nothing ever happened.
Yeah. Do you want me to drop this?
No, I dropped it already.
Okay.
It's waterproof, it reads and writes fast,
Yes.
and it's, I would say, thermally a lot better than
Yes.
the 310C.
Yes.
Yeah, even though that's smaller and a totally different segment of a product.
Yes.
Yeah. So what's next?
How about let's see the body camera over there.
Okay.
If you're looking for a resistant immersion in water greater than 1 meters, then you should find this one.
Yeah.
And most of our body camera are IP67 or 68.
Okay, so it means it can actually be dropped into water
Yes.
for more than 1 meter.
Yes.
So for this type of product, the body cam, you will get people attaching it to their bodies
Yes.
to record footage of anything, right?
Yes.
So I would say this is suitable for law enforcement, for people in the military,
Yes, of course.
yeah, and security guards,
Yes.
and people like me, because you guys, I need to teach you how to make money really fast in Malaysia. We pay so much for insurance. Why do we not use it? So you should use hardware like this to record evidence so that you can claim your insurance and get that money. So I would wear something like this, walk into Bukit Bintang, into live traffic, get hit, but get rich. So this is the best product to commit insurance fraud.
No. You don't want to use that for this purpose.
Why? Have you tried? It didn't work. Got all your modules all set up, looking all pretty here.
We have a lot of PCIe, M.2 SSD, all kinds of form factors. You can see the 2230 up to 2280.
Yes, the likes of 2230 is for gaming handhelds.
Yes.
I own a ROG Ally and an MSI Claw.
Yes.
Everyone's been looking for this. I believe in Malaysia it kind of sold out because everyone just started buying 1 terabyte, 2 terabyte 2230 SSDs.
Yes.
Yeah, but more on 1 terabyte. because it's weird to have 512 gigabytes.
Yes.
It's just weird. A lot of people are still on Gen 4 SSDs.
Yes.
Because, going Gen 5, just like DDR5 memory,
Yes.
it's quite expensive.
Yeah.
But that's not the case for Transcend because you
Yes.
guys are a very value-driven
Yes.
company.
We're not those fancy guys. We don't have this RGB things because we wanted to provide a good price for our customers.
Yeah, but you at least pay attention to your heat sinks.
Okay.
You have both aluminum and graphene
And-
heat sinks.
Yes.
So usually when you have this kind of products, it's all about heat.
Yes.
Just like, actually your whole company is all about heat
Yes.
and not getting that heat.
Yeah.
So what kind of performance are we meant to expect from these kind of SSDs? Because, this kind of M.2s, we have top 7.5 megabytes per second with a 6.7K write speed.
Yes.
So when we go to Gen 5, what kind of justification are we having to make that huge jump?
The controller is the heart of the SSD because all of the work that down into the NAND flash is driven by the controller.
I see.
Yeah, and the controller we're using is different from the market right now because they using this Phison controller. So they use this TSMC 12 nanometer process node, and we use SMI with 6 nanometer process node. So higher performance and
More
also
power
lower
efficient.
power consumptions.
Yes.
Yes.
And I think it's almost double the read-write speed
Yes.
because
yes.
the
Also
direct
for the
benefit.
random performance is not only double. I think it's 2.5 maybe or 3 times better than it used to be.
you just made it a lot harder for me to not want to jump to next generation.
You can see a bunch of the body camera.
You should have just showed this to me. I kept looking into the water. I'm like, what's the model number? What's the model number?
You can see over
What?
here.
You could have just shown this to me. Okay, so this must be your top range.
Yes.
The Drive Pro Body 70,
Yes.
1440p, 2K Quad HD.
Yes.
So I can shoot Netflix videos.
Yes.
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 Oh my God, this guy has some level of confidence. I'm gonna check if this is Netflix certified. I don't trust it, but I only know that it's military certified.
Yes. As you can see, we have the drop test over
Yeah,
here.
the 810G, the mil standard 810G
Yes.
transit drop test. Yes, I'm aware of it. Even in the laptop and some consumer tech industry,
Yes.
they go through this kind of testing as well.
Yes.
But this is more important because recording footage is pretty important for people in this security and law enforcement industry because evidence is everything.
Yes.
See, I told you.
Yes.
It's just evidence. Just submit the evidence. We can.
Yes.
You know how much they pay for car accidents? A few million. I'm sure it's a few million. NTD.
Per year or per month?
No, it's the insurance. It's just giving it back to you. For breaking your legs.
So it's just a single case
Yes.
for millions of dollars.
Yeah, and all you have to do is just record footage.
Yes.
I'm teaching you how to commit insurance fraud. It's so much easier in my country. It's been a really interesting ride so far. I made new memories today in a memory company. This has been Transcend in Computex 2024. This is my man Andrew. Thank you for showing me all this cool stuff.
Okay.
I'm Zen the Geek. I'll see you guys in the next video. I have something to test out.